Imagine a factory where products are made, proceeded and transported to other places. Inside our cell, this work is done by a structure that is called endoplasmic reticulum, also known as ER. But wait, there are two types of ER and both have different jobs. So we will understand this ER in the simplest way possible. Welcome to Neogen. Now the blue one is our cell and the red one is our nucleus. So now we will understand ER, endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum is a network of folded membranes like this present inside the cytoplasm. Yeah, like this. It is directly connected to the nucleus and it helps in transporting materials inside the cell. So we will write here uh, yeah, ER equals to transport. Yeah, endoplasmic reticulums works in transportation. Yes, transport. Okay, this is like a carrier. Now we will understand types of endoplasmic reticulum. There are mainly two types of endoplasmic reticulum. So for understanding this, we have to delete these structures. So now see here. These are the structures of rough endoplasmic reticulum, the first type. These are the structures. And these structures, 1 minute, has dots on it like this one. 1 second. Yeah, like this one. And you know what these dots are? These are ribosomes. And because of ribosomes, these endoplasmic reticulums are called rough endoplasmic reticulum, because ribosomes lie on their surface and it makes it rough. So we call it rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now this is our RER. It means rough endoplasmic reticulum. And why it is rough? Because there are ribosomes on its surface, which makes it rough. Now you tell me, what is the work of RER? Just think, there are ribosomes on RER. So what is the work of ribosomes? Yeah, they produce proteins. So all the work of RER is to make proteins, make proteins. And also one thing, transport it. Okay, now we will understand smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So let's understand this. So smooth endoplasmic reticulum is like this. Yeah, their structure is like a pipe attached to the nucleus, and they are not rough because they don't have ribosomes on it. So that's why we call it smooth, because there are ribosomes absent. This is our smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER. You get it? Now the work of smooth endoplasmic reticulum is to produce lipids, and it also helps in detoxification of harmful substances and helps in metabolism. So we will write it in this way. One second. It produces lipids, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, lipids, and it also helps in detoxification of cell. Detoxification means, yeah, like this, what I did, deletance of harmful substances. Okay, you understand the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So you must be thinking why ER is so important. ER is important because without ER, means without endoplasmic reticulum, there will be no protein synthesis and no fat synthesis, and also it also transports, so no transportation of protein and fats. So that's why ER is very important. That's why ER becomes a very important. So endoplasmic reticulum is like delivery and production agent of the cell. So this one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and this one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now let's revise everything what we have read. So first one is endoplasmic reticulum is equal to cell's factory. So endoplasmic reticulum make and move things like proteins and lipids. Now the second one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. It has ribosomes and makes proteins. That's why we call it rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now the third point is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum has no ribosomes and it makes lipids and also detoxifies our cell. The main work of smooth endoplasmic reticulum is to make lipids. We call lipids also fats. Now the fourth point is it is vital for life because without this cell can't survive, because protein synthesis, making of protein is very important. If this video made anything easy for you, please do subscribe our channel Neogen, and we will meet in the next video. Till that, goodbye.